FOMO alert. Why VOO stock is exploding. Don't miss this ETF surge. VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, trades at $591.36 per share, with a massive $713 billion in assets under management, making it the largest ETF by AUM. VOO's up 9.42% year-to-date, riding a 30% S&P 500 rally since April's lows, fueled by a 90-day tariff pause under President Trump. Last week, VOO gained 1.45%, with 5.29 million shares traded daily. VOO's expense ratio of 0.03% means just $3 in fees per $10,000 invested annually, far below the 0.76% industry average, maximizing returns on 500 U.S. companies. Ex-users call VOO a no-brainer for long-term wealth, noting its 19% gain in 2024 and $68 billion in inflows this year. Despite tariff worries looming August 1st, VOO's 319 holdings have weathered the 2008 crisis and COVID crash, delivering a 223.7% total return since 2010. TipRank sets a $656.85 price target, implying a 12.14% upside, while Bank of America raised its S&P 500 target to 6,300, signaling VOO's momentum. Invest $500 monthly to snag more shares on dips, smoothing volatility with VOO's low $1 minimum, accessible for all. Jump on InsideTicker.com. Stay tuned, like, and subscribe for more market sizzlers.